How do paleoenvironmental studies reveal ancient climate change? Imagine being able to read the story of Earth's past just by examining tiny clues preserved in natural materials. That's what paleoenvironmental studies do. They help us understand how climate changed long ago by analyzing evidence locked in sediments, fossils, and other natural archives. These clues tell us about the environment and how it shifted over thousands or even millions of years. From an archaeological point of view, these studies show how ancient humans and animals responded to climate shifts and adapted their lifestyles. The process starts with collecting samples from different sources like sediments, fossils, pollen, microfossils, isotopes, and landforms. These are like pages from Earth's history book, each holding information about past climates. Pollen analysis is a key method. Pollen grains preserved in layers of sediment reveal what kinds of plants grew at different times. Since plants respond to temperature and rainfall, changes in pollen types show shifts in climate and landscape. Microfossil studies look at tiny organisms like testate amoebae, ostracods, and bivalves found in sediment cores. These microfossils give clues about water conditions, salinity, and temperature. Scientists analyze isotopes in these microfossils, especially carbon and oxygen isotopes, to track changes in water sources and climate phases. Sediment geochemistry involves studying the chemical elements and their ratios in sediments. Elements like rubidium and strontium, or manganese, and titanium help scientists figure out if conditions were wetter or drier, and if temperatures rose or fell. Landforms such as terraces, lake levels, and soil profiles also tell stories about past environments. By examining these features through field surveys and aerial images, researchers can reconstruct landscapes shaped by glaciers, erosion, or flooding. Sediment layers and their features, like grain size and fossil orientation, provide additional clues about water flow, energy conditions, and climate events. When all these lines of evidence are combined, scientists create a timeline of environmental changes. This timeline reveals periods of warming or cooling, shifts from tundra to forests, changes in water bodies, and other climate-related transformations. In archaeology, understanding these environmental stories helps explain why humans moved, settled, or changed their resource use. For example, pollen data showing a transition from cold tundra to warmer forests suggests a warming period, which could have led to new plant and animal species thriving. These shifts would influence how ancient people hunted, gathered, or farmed. Overall, paleoenvironmental studies use a mix of geology, biology, chemistry, and archaeology to piece together Earth's climate history. This helps us see how climate fluctuations affected ecosystems and human societies long ago. By studying these clues, we gain a clearer picture of Earth's changing climate and how life on our planet has responded over time.